I'd like to show you gift wrapping with fresh flowers. Perfect for like Mother's Day. Place 2 square tissue paper slightly off. Center the gift box. Gather the 4 corners of the tissue paper into the center. Front and back, then sides. Once gathered in the center, squeeze the roots firmly. Let's add the bow. Make 1 loop and the tail. Keep the point at the front, then wrap around the neck. Pull the ribbon on the short side to the top right. Make a loop with a long end, wrap it around the short end, and pull it out to the left. Make it neatly. You can also wrap ad-shaped gifts in the same way. If you stop by a flower shop on the way, you can buy flowers and have them cut it short. Then insert it behind the bowl before giving it to your loved one. If you want to prepare ahead of time, here's how to keep the stem moist. Cut the stem under running water. It will last longer. Make a small piece of tissue paper wet. Then wrap it around the cut end of the stem. Place it in a small plastic bag or wrap it in cellophane or plastic wrap. Wrap and tie with a thin ribbon. Now it's ready to attach. Insert the thin ribbon behind the bow. Tie once in front. Put the flower on the knot. Tie it, then make a bow on the flower. Arrange the package neatly. Then trim the tails. Second option. The width of paper should cover the box. The top and bottom are slightly longer than the height. Fold the right edge to make a clean edge. Place the right edge in the center of the box. Crease the corners. Then put the right clean edge on top. Secure only the top part with double-sided tape so you can insert your card later. Turn the back of the box up. Close the bottom. Fold the side inward. Make sure to fold all the way in the end. Fold the top flip downward. Pull up the bottom flip and crease at the corner. Fold at the crease, then close with the double-sided tape. It's easier to close in the corner than in the center. Close the top side in the same way. Now add 4 loops bow. Make 1 loop and the tail. Keep the point at the upper center, then wrap around the box. Tie it front like this. Make 1 loop with a longer ribbon on the left. Then make another loop downwards and another one over the first. 2 loops on this side, 1 loop on another side. Gather the loops in the center. Push the ribbon on the right into this hole, then pull it out to the left. Pulling on the bottom of the lower right loop and the top of the lower left loop to tighten. Let's attach the flower wrapped in wet tissue with sheer ribbon as the earlier version. You can insert your card here. Fix the flower position with double-sided tape. You can also make another bow on the top, then just insert a fresh flower. Third option. Paper must be large enough to cover the box. Sides are half the height. Fold the right edge a little. Turn the box face down. Place the right edge in the center of the box. Crease the corners. Then place the right clean edge side on top. Close with double-sided tape. Fold the top flip downward. Make sure to fold all the way in the end. Pull up the bottom flip and secure with double-sided tape. Stand it up and close the top in the same way. Make a bow as well. This time, wrap the ribbon downward and bring it back to the front. Cross the ribbon slightly above. Then wrap it horizontally to the left. Make a simple bow in the same way as the previous ones. Add another thin ribbon bow on top of that. Insert fresh flower or attach the flower that wrapped in wet tissue. Isn't it lovely to add flowers?